In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a customer list in Google Ads. To get started, open your web browser and go to Google Ads. Once the page loads, sign in to your Google Ads account. After logging in, give the dashboard a moment to fully load so everything appears correctly on the overview page. This is important because some menu options may not show properly if the account is still loading in the background. When you're on the main dashboard, look at the top navigation bar and click the Tools icon. From there, move to the menu area where you can access shared resources for your account. Then select Shared Library. Inside that section, click Audience Manager. This is where Google Ads allows you to create and manage audience segments, including customer lists that can be used for targeting. Once you're in Audience Manager, click the plus icon to begin creating a new audience list. Google Ads will show you several audience options, and here you'll want to choose Customer List. This option is used when you already have customer data prepared and want to upload it directly into your account. Next, choose the option to upload a file from your computer. After selecting your file source, click Continue to move to the next stage. At this point, you'll need to enter a name for your customer segment. Try to use a clear and descriptive name so it's easy to recognize later, especially if you plan to manage multiple audience lists over time. After that, select the customer type that applies to your list. Then choose the data type for your upload, such as user IDs or mobile device IDs, depending on the format of the customer information you're using. It's important to match the correct data type here so Google Ads can process the file properly. Now click Browse, or use the Drop File Here area to upload your customer data file. Once the file has been added, wait for the upload to complete. Depending on the file size, this may take a few moments, so just let the process finish before moving on. When everything looks good, click Save and continue to finalize the upload. Google Ads will then begin processing the customer list. This part is not always instant, so wait for the list to finish processing and appear in your audience list. Once it shows up there, your customer segment is ready to be used in your campaigns, depending on Google Ads eligibility and processing status. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded a customer list in Google Ads. Thanks for watching.